guys, welcome back to my channel. We are inside of Gordmans in Topeka, Kansas because the store is closing on sale. It's getting cleared. Oh my goodness, this is a sad news. Gordmans is going to be closing on April 2020 because they made enough of money. Here are some kids' clothings, and it says nothing held back. So I'm just walking of this one. Let me see how much it costs. It costs $48. Oh man, that is too expensive. This is getting sad. And over there are the toy sections from these clothings. Alright. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Later.